oven roasted jerk chicken. Let's get into it. Here we've got a list on the screen. I've blended my seasoning, so you can pause to read. I've stored the rest of it in a glass container and, just put it in the fridge. So here I've just marinated my chicken using my special blend of spices to marinate the chicken. You can use whatever you have with the seasoning. I've just covered it with some greaseproof paper and foil and put it in the oven for about 20 minutes and then remove the paper and put them back uncovered. So I've just done it every 20 minutes until it was done. I've just basted it and I've left up the cooking time and temperature on the screen as well. You can just check it out. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.